Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now today I'm going to be talking about the story where, one of your favorite DC, right, district constable, got caught, right, as he was about to carry out a contract hit. The operation, right, was carried out by CTOC, right, no surprise there, but the spooky thing was that the FBI was also involved. And when time you read the article, we can understand why, right, no thing that start to make sense. I'm going to tell you, right, why this is great news. I know I figure things from a different perspective, because people like to follow the general, narrative, and people have said, "Why this is the worst thing ever." This is actually great news. Right? Don't worry, if you're confused, everything will make sense. Don't. Right? But before we go any further, couple things I need to get off. First, I want to send a Merry Christmas or Kwanzaa, whatever you believe in. Right? You know me I talk about happy holidays to you and your family. Remember, health is wealth. You can make all the money you want, you can drive all the nice car you want, live in the big house all you want. End of the day, it's all about coming together, socializing with your loved ones, having a good time, right? That's what really matters. When all is said and done, what you really remember is the memories and the people you spend them with. So big up on yourself, right? You don't talk to the Patreon squad already. BIA, big up on yourself too. Thanks for the support. Next thing we want to talk about, SB. Long-time Patreon supporter. Today is our birthday. Someone want to wish our birthday for me. Right? SB, right, aka S-Bart. We don't know how your man go manage. Because your birthday drop on Christmas, you know, so if you pocket them, I go burn him. If you pocket them, right, stressed out right now, probably going down a Bellevue, because when your woman born on Christmas Day, don't think say you can buy one gift, You can't just buy her birthday gift. You can't just buy her Christmas gift, you have to buy the two of them. So, you better go take out one of them one day. Right. Big up yourself, SB. Right. More life. Let's move into the video. This is excellent news. Why? Because it needs to happen more often. See, people that live in one bubble and believe, say, them favorite DC, them favorite constable, they mix up another crime, and then train us into the news, then, yeah, this is good for image. Forget about image, because see in the real world. People too caught up in that image. You can fake image, right? You can twist image and present what you want to present. But the real world is we know say enough police, right? Enough DC, right? Enough of your favorite politicians, enough of your favorite lawyers, right? Mix up in a foolishness. So when time them get catch like this, it's actually good news. Matter of fact, the only bad news is it don't happen enough. Because I don't know 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, so it need to be happening enough. Right? I'm not gonna talk about it now. I'm not gonna talk about it because FBI involved. Every time I read, right, how thorough them go, Mr. Willie stuff makes sense because say the FBI, when they take down things, them like take down the whole network. Every time I read the article, I say, hold on. Them that just hold on upon the DC, it's the one time JCF, them that hold on upon the DC and celebrate. Them that hold on upon the DC and say, big time operation. But we know so now look at one man to do nothing. There's always a network behind it. So I read Pan Observer, right? They must say, they arrest, right, 6 people. You don't know your favorite DC involved, right? Or 7 people, the DC plus 6 others, including a female teacher. I'm telling you, say, anywhere there's hostility, there's bound to be a kerosene. A female teacher. What female teacher do I mix up in a contract killing? Teacher, Contract involving a contract killing a day, or involving a contract killing a night, and a daytime a teacher in the pit them in a school. Jamaica is really a Netflix series. Right. So 28-year-old DC, right, so them catch him head toward Western Jamaica, so we can start probably at Mobile, right? More than likely at St. James, who knows, right? Westmoreland, them side there already. Anyway, right, them said they hit toward 400,000. No, that's the lower end of the spectrum, right? Like the DC they work for, considering the size of the operation, where you saw 3 women. If you never go take out 3 women to 400,000, we know that this DC, right, one of them rat bat type of police there, right? Because if a man charge you 400,000 to kill 3 people, right, you can't even trust that man, right, round your pet dog, because they may name him. Right? 400,000 for 3 people, right? They need to run him file. Anybody will work, any contract killer will work for them money then, right, will kill people for one shoes. Run him file, it probably not his first hit. Because that's on the man that take $1 million for 1, and they might take 400,000 for 3. Very spooky. Anyway, after them hold on upon him, them find police apparel. No surprise there. Me tell them so when Fury 87 them a get these police uniforms from somebody. They're getting them from your favorite DCs, their favorite constables, their favorite sergeants. Right? So don't be surprised when you see 87 with police uniform. Go upon them own a mission. Civilian thinks that police are come. Next thing them say 87. By the time they realize it's too late, them dead. Them also find one American tactical hybrid rifle. Right? At least 3 handguns. Right? So a big operation. Big operation. Now, DCP Fitzbailey, right? You don't know the head of the crime portfolio and CTAC boss. You've heard the name before. He gave an address and I mentioned how the operation went down. I mentioned to them find 5.56 rounds, 9mm rounds, ballistic vests, 4 motor license plate, Colin Garrity, 2 pairs of handcuff. Your favorite squad of them deep in the mess. Deep in the mess. 3 Glock 17s, 1 Glock 19 magazine, 1 M16 magazine. We don't know what's be a foolish one. But you don't stop this up. Because them start go around, them go to this address and pick up them money, and them go over here and pick up them money. So it's like a network. Them a pick up people all over the island. So you know say intel them a work off. You know say them a work with somebody. There's no way CTAC could have woke up in this. There is no way them just a drive down the road, see the constable, and say pull over, and then them hold on upon him and everything just unravel. They were acting on intel, and even them said that. And the fact that the FBI involved, and there's a thing get spooky. When they say the FBI involved, right, don't be surprised if the source or where this come from is America. Don't be surprised if a somebody want to sell in America, right, I give the intel. The FBI have no reason to get involved in an operation like this. If the FBI get involved, an American citizen or something to do with America must involve in all of this. I'm telling you how contracting work already. For the people who are dead in Jamaica, the hits them are come from foreign. The man them live in an Uncle Sam place. Now, CTAC, which I guess you could say is the closest thing to an FBI, a similar organization. If CTAC and FBI are work together, for intercept, hits coming from America, what can I say? Because we know say a years the man them that foreign. I send out it and nothing now go on. I would know say JCF now an authority in America. If man they in a New York and Miami and them place there, them can do what them do. Even if they're behind bars, they can do what them do and nothing come out time. So if CTAC can link with FBI and say, or FBI link with CTAC and say we have this individual, we intercept this, here you go. Then I saw it figure because you know why? JCF give Uncle Sam for them criminals. When Uncle Sam want for them criminals, JCF work with them and hand them over. So if man in America I do things in Jamaica, then Uncle Sam must reciprocate. Uncle Sam must say, alright, say man that do things in your country, right? See the intel here, work with it. Of course, we don't know the fine details, and at this point we don't need to. Just make we see the results. I understand how the game works. Some operation it does not go here the little nitty-gritty details, but make we see the results. And the fact that this play out like this, CTAC in association with FBI prevent contract killing on the ground and hold on a DC, which then lead to the arrest of 6 other people. What can I say? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We need more like this. We need more like this because we know say, enough of the hits them are going on Jamaica. We know say, enough of the people who are carry them out are people who are supposed to get in the system, quote unquote, fighting crime. So when time you see this, we know enough people get upset and can't believe them disappointed. I'm not. I'm not disappointed because I know it will happen. And then if you get exposed more. So CTAC, I'm not surprised it's CTAC there behind this operation. If we say we want the JCF to get better, if we say we want the JCF to get purged, then why would we not want to hear more cases like this? This is how it's going to look when it's getting purged. We need police to get out. Who you think are flush out the police? You think Simon are going to do it? Or Sister Nancy with acting on good faith? Right? Down the road, now police have to get out corrupt police. So the fact that they're launching operations against their own, right, as me say, right, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa. Now before the video end, I want to touch upon St. Elizabeth briefly. I can't believe what's St. Elizabeth are going. I can't believe what's a pretty St. Bess are going. And it disappoint me. You see, one thing when I hear about South St. Andrew, I hear about West Kingston. And when I hear about East Kingston, when I hear about Central Kingston, when I hear about North, St. Catherine North, when I hear about Clansman Place, and when I hear about one other place. But for no some that live for the deal in St. Elizabeth, not the news like this. I see a video with a Chinese couple in them store, mash up on the ground. Right? I posted the video on Patreon because the people that lie up on the ground and a security woman just walk in and take up on box. Like, do people even respect crime scene? Do people realize how important it is for not trample the crime scene? It's like people just take everything for this a big joke. I don't know if them do it on purpose, right? Or them really not understand how these things work. Because big people can't be that slow. Right, the crime scene, man lie down on the ground, head mash up, oh look, let me go take up one box, now make a crime scene. People need to switch on. People need to grow up. Because if we say, oh, police now solve the crime, by the time seeing a crime, man then reach and start move around and look for evidence. The evidence in the left because man take up box, man lick down this, man wipe off this. People just do what them feel like. People need to grow up. It's getting ridiculous now. Now, the Chinese community, as we know, they are not spared by crime and violence. The man them rob them regular, kill them regular. And you might say, well, China them in the business. Well, we can't look on it that way. Them in Jamaica, the business of Jamaica, right? Nobody is supposed to do it like this. And for them numbers count towards the annual figures. It's not like say these are separate numbers for dead Chinese and dead Jamaicans. Them dead at Jamaica, right? So they're counted as well. Right? Nobody deserves to go like this. I might not be Captain China, but nobody deserves to dead like this. The people who might run them shop or them store or whatever. Right? If you do the people like that, right? Whether Jamaican, whether Chinese, whether Indian, it no matter. Right? This thing is ridiculous. When them dead, them family feel the same way. Right? Nobody no deserve to go like that. We don't know what the motivate, right? But it's real ugly. Right? It's real ugly. It's not a good look. St. Elizabeth. Me as a woman I get killed because she witnessed murder and the man then go back or kill. I can't believe what St. Elizabeth are going. This is a parish where when I was growing up, St. Elizabeth was one of the places them. One time I want to get to it. When I want to get to from the town foolishness, St. Elizabeth was one of the places them. Right, we used to go cool out. Right. And I remember St. Elizabeth people used to laugh about town people. When they go St. Elizabeth as a town man, people used to say, right, you know, town people stay so and town people stay so. We don't stay so. And it used to be true them time, but right now St. Elizabeth are compete. Now for the rural place them in Jamaica, we used to laugh off a town as the town people wicked and town people cruel. And town people know rural communities, rural parts of Jamaica are getting just as vile, as cruel, as quote unquote town, as Spanish town. The plague is spreading. It's ridiculous. And I say, I don't know the motives behind them killing time. Right? Whatever the case may be, right? It don't make it no less gruesome. Right? The video with the China them, we can see the video. So I want thing when they hear about it, when they can't see it, it's terrible. Right? The man lie down on the ground, head mash up, woman there, me say she end up passing on later. It just don't look good. St. Bess after the better, Jamaica after the better. 2021. He telling us 1400. Remember how long I telling about 1400? Right? You come see it now. Right? I don't know. Right? Unfortunately, even on Christmas Day, I saw the video of his son. But if we keep it real, we can't just pour ketchup over it. You know, enough people in time the food not good enough, cover it with sauce and eat it the same way. We can't do that. And the food not eat good, the food not eat good. And right now, the place not run good, so we talk about it, even on Christmas Day. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Jamaica will have to do better. We have to do better as a nation. This thing has become the norm now. These insane numbers have become normal for us now. Really, so we are going to the new year. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.